Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GPT to create a PowerPoint presentation. On the right side, you'll see an option called Add-ins. Click on it and a panel will open. If you don't see GPT there, simply search for it and click Add to bring it up. Once you've opened the panel, click on Create from Topic. Now, you can enter your topic or prompt. For example, I'm typing company profile. After that, you can choose your language, so let's select English. Then, set how many slides you want for your presentation. At the bottom, you'll notice advanced options. This is where you can adjust the level of detail. You can choose detailed for more information, or concise for a simpler presentation. If you want, you can also select images from Unsplash or Pixels to enhance your slides. Once you've made all your selections, click Continue to generate your slides. After that, you'll see different layout options. Choose the one you like, and click Continue. The slides are generated, select any one of the presentation options and click Continue. The AI will automatically create the slides on the right side. From there, select any slide you like and click Create Slide. You'll notice a variety of layout options. Add your topic, choose the number of columns, and click Continue. Keep in mind that this feature may require a Pro Plan subscription. If you need to edit the text, click on the Rewrite Text icon. Then, click the small arrow to explore options like Make it shorter. Once you select that, click Submit, and the slide text will be updated automatically. You can also change the selected text further. Click the small arrow again and choose Make it longer. Select the text you want to modify, click Submit, and you'll see the updated text right away. Next, to add an image, click Add Image and select the image placeholder on your slide. Use the search bar to find something relevant to your topic, for example, search for company. You'll see a variety of images to choose from. Pick the one you like, click Insert, and the image will be updated on your slide. You can even adjust the image's resolution or pixel quality if needed. Lastly, don't forget to add speaker notes to your slide to make your presentation more comprehensive. And that's it. Using GPT to create a PowerPoint presentation is super easy and quick. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more tips and tutorials. Thanks again.